I'll take a basket of fresh strawberries. Gently rinse it in a bowl of water. And put it aside to dry. Now, I cut off the top along with the tail. And cut the strawberries into small cubes. I'll do the same to the second one. I put everything on a plate. Now, I will light a fire on the stove and place a pot. Hard caramel and strawberries will go in. Wait a little and everything will boil. The main thing is not forget to stir. And then add a couple of drops of lemon juice. Great! I think the strawberry jam is ready. It is necessary to remove it from the heat and put it in a container. Let it cool down. Meanwhile, I'll take care of the cake. With the help of such a sieve, I separate the yolk from the whites. Now they're in different bowls. Let's start with the yolk. I will add some oil, vanilla, sugar, and milk. Now we need to mix it thoroughly. Carefully set the flour directly into the bowl, like this. And mix everything thoroughly. Now let's get busy with the whites. I add salt, lemon juice, and sugar to it. And now the most difficult thing is to beat the foam. Look how dense it turned out. I pour the yolk mixture into it and mix it carefully again so as not to let the air out of the foam. I pour the finished dough into a baking dish. Send it to the oven and let the biscuit bake well. In the meantime, I will prepare the decorations. I roll out the sausages out of the wrap mastic and cut it into small pieces. Shape it into strawberries and add a pattern. Now, I roll out a pancake from green mastic and cut out stars using mold. They will make great tails for my strawberries. Well, it's just beautiful. And at the meantime, our biscuit is already baked. Look how airy! I cut off the top and divide the biscuit into 3 cakes. Now I'll put our strawberry jam on the stand. Smearing it all over. And I'll put the first cake. I'll smear it with jam as well. And put the next one. Cover the top. That's such a beautiful cream. And let's do the same with the sides. Covering it with a thick layer. And of course, you need to give it smoother shape. And from above, I will install the second level of a mini cake. A bit of cream. Looks beautiful. And the base. I'll add flowers from white cream. And on top. Let them be on the first level too. Now I'm putting in strawberries made of mastic. And here's the cake. Well, it's time to see what it's like inside. I'll cut myself a small piece. And put it on a plate. It looks so appetizing that I really want to try it. how delicious it is! It's impossible to stop! This is the best strawberry cake in the world! Thank you, friends! On my channel, you'll find a bunch of awesome recipes that are easy to cook at home. Try yourself and you'll definitely succeed. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!